Hello everybody, I wanted to do a quick video on one of my favorite snacks. This is actually hummus. When I don't make my own, I just buy this stuff. It's not great. It's got a little bit of fat. Not 100% great ingredients. It's made by Members Mark, which is a Sam's Club brand, but it's practical. So I eat my broccoli. I get a bunch of broccoli, like big bags of broccoli. I wash it, keep it in a Tupperware, and then when I'm hungry, I'll snack. I'll dip it in this and I'll eat it as a snack. This is a really good snack because even though this has a little bit of fat and the hummus, you're not getting a lot of it because you're getting a ton of fiber and also other nutrients from the broccoli. So the broccoli is going to fill you up and you're not going to eat that much hummus. Now if you did some chips, that would be a really bad snack because there would be almost no fiber. But when you eat it like this, you're getting amazing nutrition. And the broccoli has got that sulforaphane, which when you eat it raw, it has all those cancer-fighting properties. Normally, I love broccoli. I can just actually eat it like this with nothing on it. But it's nice to add this because it's just a nice little snack. It adds a little bit of flavor, a little bit of fattiness. And it's a great way, if you're not fully into eating raw veggies, it's a great way to try it. I think these are like $4 or $5 at Sam's. Those of you guys that have a Sam's card, if you don't want to put in the time to be making your own hummus from chickpeas, then you can do this. Now, if you want to make your own, really simple. You got a pressure cooker. All you do is just put the chickpeas, dry chickpeas in, add some water, a little bit of salt, cook them for 1 hour. Pressure cook them for 1 hour, and then stick them in the food processor, add a little bit of salt, and that's the simplest way without adding tahini, without adding cumin and getting all fancy. It's still really delicious. And if you like heat, you can add a little bit of heat. You can add a little bit of jalapenos and blend it. You can even add some smoked peppers, like some chipotle and stuff like that, and blend it. And it's really delicious. Add smoked salt, add some smokiness to your hummus. There's a whole bunch of different things that you can do with it. But this is really probably one of the best snacks that you can have, because you're getting a ton of fiber, a ton of healthy nutrients, and it's just a little tiny dab of hummus. I'm not getting a lot. So I might eat like maybe 2 tablespoons of hummus, which is like, let me see here, 60 calories. So I'm getting like 60 calories of hummus, but I'm getting all of this broccoli in. You know, sometimes you gotta compromise. You can't be always perfect. Really easy to do. Buy the bags of broccoli, they're like $3. Big bag, $4. This will last you a while to snack on. Ain't nobody gonna eat a full bag of broccoli, even with hummus. You're not gonna do it. But if you're hungry, you know, instead of going and reaching for some junk foods, some chips or something bad, this will hit the spot. You'll feel like you ate like some kind of junk food. And look, this is really it. I'm just kind of like dipping it, and it's not a lot on there. And I'm done, I'm full. Now when I go to have dinner, I'm not gonna eat that much because I already ate all of that broccoli. I got all those nutrients. Really, really good way to get in some veggies. A little bit of protein. I mean, this is not gonna give you a whole lot of protein, but it gives you a nice flavor to your broccoli, especially if you're a beginner. You're just starting to eat your veggies like that raw. It's a good way to dip your toe in the water. So I hope it helped you guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share so we can continue growing this channel. And I'll see you guys really soon on the next one.